You know what's funny? I never thought I'd end up here, in this backyard, with this brush, making the patina painting. For a guy I met by accident. Well, kind of by accident. Let me tell you what happened. So, a few months ago, I had this little art exhibition. Nothing too fancy. Just my handmade stuff, paintings, patina boards, a few recycled soul pieces, you know? And then he walked in. I didn't say anything, didn't ask anything, just stared. And honestly, I thought he was mocking me. Like, you know that look some people give? The tilted head, the half smile, the way too long eye contact. I was like, okay, red alert. So, I ignored him. I kept talking to someone else, but I kept standing there, just watching. I was about to tell him off, politely, of course, when his friend came over and said, "He's not being rude, he's deaf." And I swear, I felt my stomach drop, like all my assumptions just punched me in the face. I felt so guilty, like painfully guilty. So I did what any irrational, awkward person would do. I invited him to dinner. Yeah, me. I invited a total stranger to dinner because I couldn't handle the guilt. And that's how it started. Turns out he's amazing, like genuinely. He's quiet, obviously, but not because he has to be, because he's present. He watches everything, feels everything, and when he laughs, it's full body louder. He doesn't hold back, not one bit. He doesn't care about noise, because he lives in energy. And I guess that's what I feel in love with. Not his silence, but his stillness. Not his ears, but his eyes. He doesn't listen to the world's trash talk, the drama, the criticism. When people yell, he doesn't flinch. When people gossip, he doesn't care. He keeps painting his own world, literally and metaphorically. And today, he's helping me make this patina board. Well, he thinks I'm teaching him, but really, I'm making this for him. Because he gave me something no one else did piece. And okay, maybe a little chaos. Like when he tried to use the wrong side of the brush, or spilled green all over my shoes. Still not over that. But in the best way. Right now, we're sitting in this old courtyard. Belongs to his antique collecting friend. There's wines everywhere. Birds that scream like they're auditioning for a horror film. And one cat that's way too territorial. But I love it. I love every bit of it. Because he's here, sitting next to me, trying to match texture, pretending he doesn't love this color when I know he does. And me? I'm just pretending this is another casual day. But it's not, because when I'm done, I'm gonna turn to him, show him this board and sign, "It's yours." I don't know what he'll say, or if he'll even let me finish. But that's okay, because I already know. I've seen it in his hands, in the way he touches things like they might break, but also like they might fly. He doesn't hear how loud the world can be, but he feels everything. He knows when you're sad. He knows when you're lying. And he definitely knows when I'm nervous. which is right now. But that's love, right? It's messy, it's nervous, it's silent and screaming at the same time. So here's to him, the guy who walked into my show without a word, who stood chill lying in front of a patina board, who made me mad, then made me think, then made me care. Here's to all the things he doesn't hear, and all the things he feels instead. Here's to second chance, guilty dinners, and falling in love under noisy trees in courtyards. And here's to this board, full of layers, full of mistakes, full of color, just like us. I hope he keeps it. I hope he sees himself in it. Because when I look at it, I don't just see art. I see the moment I stopped assuming and started listening without needing sound at all.
خب